Hello everyone, this is Patrick with Cena Craftworks. I hope you and your families are doing okay and healthy and safe as well. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I assemble my pipe clamps and also how I made threads on the pipe. Here's a bench vise pipe grip that I purchased online in Lazada. So for Philippine market, I purchased this for 629 pesos. I'll include this in the link below for those who are interested to purchase the same tool for PIA people. And also I have a pipe threading kit which I also purchased in Lazada for 1,529 pesos. So I've got here a 3/4 size die attached in the tool, but it comes with several sizes as well. We have 1 1/4 inches die here, and also I have a 1 inch size die, and the smallest I've got would be a 1/2 inch die. And also I purchased a 3/4 pipe. It comes in a 20 feet length, and which I divided into 4 equal parts. So I've got 5 feet of 4 uh, pieces, 5 feet pipes. And here I also purchased a pipe clamp, a 3/4 pipe clamp for 368 each. So you must match your pipe to the purchase clamp, and make sure you purchase schedule 40, not thinner. And I'll just put the thread on one of the ends. When you purchase this pipe, there will be a thread on both ends already, since I cut this into 4 equal parts. So two of the pipes won't have thread in them, so I'll make thread for two of the pipes. So let me just put it in the vise and make it tight and snug so as not to rotate the pipe while threading it. There you go. And I'll use the 3/4 die, which is detachable, interchangeable with other sizes. And I'll insert the pipe in this hole. So I'll just make a little push and start threading. So initially I'm going to give it a little push to start making thread, but as soon as the teeth of the die and it's important to lubricate it to avoid heating up. Here I'm using a WD-40, and so far it's working for me. See all those metals being shredded? So this is the first time I've used this die, and I think it's doing its work pretty okay. More lube. So it's getting tired in here as I go deeper. And depending how deep you want it to be, so depending how you want to go farther, it's up to you. But for me, I would go for just over half to 3/4 inch. I think that's just enough. So I am taking it off right now, and I'm just twisting it anti-clockwise just to help it come out. There we go. We've created a pipe thread, and see all those metal shreddings there. So far it looks so good. So now I can go ahead and put the clamp on. So this is a quick release, so I'll just give it a push and insert it first, and then the other piece, the one with the thread, I'll just screw it up. And I'm not going to make it so tight, just hand tight. I think that would be enough. Just as tight as my hand or my force can do. Cool. So I think that's it. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. So here's another one. So I'm just doing it in fast forward. And there you have it. I've made 4 pipe clamps. I hope this video is helpful, and if you like it, please click the like button below, and if it's not too much, I hope you can also click on subscribe. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, and happy Thanksgiving. Goodbye.